Hey everyone, welcome back to Simply Makeup. Today I am going to do an all natural shimmer look for the natural people that are watching me. And the palette I'm using today is JUVIA'S Place Nubian 3 Coral. This is the palette on the outside. This is what the inside looks like. I am still working on my lens, so hopefully all these videos are going to be coming out okay. So for all my natural ladies and gentlemen out there, this is a natural look for you. You can rock this in the fall, in the summer, in the winter, in spring. You can rock it anytime. Take your palette out, follow along with me, use your own eyeshadow palette and let us have fun. My eyes have already been based. I use the Uma Beauty concealer to do that, and that is what it is. Today I am doing it different. I am using the brush set. That I received from my sister. I use this to do my concealer already over my eyes. I use this to do my brows. So I'm using all the brushes. I hope I'll use all of them today. In this palette, I am going to do things a little different. I am going to put the shimmer on first. And I will start with this shimmer. Again, remember, natural, all natural today. You know, I like to put shimmer with my fingers because it always applies better than the brush. I have mature hooded eyes, so I always think this works much better for me. Remember, I did buy a ticket. If you watch one of my videos, I did tell you, I showed a ticket, a lotto ticket that I bought. That lotto ticket, when I went and checked it, I had 3 numbers out of 6. So I got $15. So I bought one more ticket and keep the rest of the cash. On that second ticket, I win a free ticket. On that free ticket, when I went and checked, I won nothing. So from one ticket I get 15, then I bought a ticket with some other money, then I got a free ticket, and from the free ticket there was nothing. So I'm hoping I'll win one day. I don't play all the time, but when I say I'll buy again. But that's what happened with that ticket. Looking in the mirror, hopefully I didn't block you. This color is pretty. I want you to see everything I'm doing. I'm taking the purple Nikita fluffy brush because now I'm gonna blend that shimmer that I put on my eyes. The shadows in this Nubian 3 Coral has no names, but so far that color is very, very pretty. I hope you can see it. And I'm just going to blend it everywhere. My mirror is right here, so I'm looking into that mirror. This is the first color. I'm using the same fluffy brush because the color I'm going to use is a matte color and it's about the same color as the shimmer that I just used. So I'm gonna use that and just go over. I'm pointing everywhere just like how I did with the shimmer. This brush feels really good. This is everything about the eye. It's a natural, simple look. But I am going to use the Wet n Wild. It's a shimmer. It's the Wet n Wild, it's shimmer, and I received that from my sister. I don't know if you'll be able to see what I'm doing because I need the magnifying mirror. So hopefully you can see. I am back with the complete look for today. This is what it looks like. This look is for all the natural men and women who watch my videos. This is all for you. I don't do neutrals or natural eye looks all the time, but every now and then I want to put one in there for my natural viewers. I use these 3 pencils that I received in a gift from my sister. These 3 colors right here, I have on my lip. These 2 colors right here I have in my top lash line and my lower lash line. These 2 colors right here I have on my eyes. This is what my eye look like. I put the shimmer first and then I put the matte all over and blend them together so it's not too bright. And then in my lower lash line, I use the matte color underneath, and then I use a black in the waterline. This is what I have on my eyes, a simple neutral look for the ladies and gentlemen that watch my channel. This is it. Today's word is unity. Unity. Let us stay united. Let us be in unity with each other. Life is short. Waste it on no one. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self, and I, Simply You Makeup, will see you in another video. Thank you, sis, for all these beautiful products that you sent me. This palette right here was given to me by Monique Jones. That's the name of her YouTube channel, Monique Jones. Please visit her, let her know Simply You Makeup sent you. Oh, it is beautiful. I am loving this look, and I am sending love and hugs to everyone. Bye. Bye, bye, bye. See you soon. Neutral look for my ladies and gentlemen. Bye. Bye, bye, bye.